This isn't rock bottom. This isn't the end. This is the moment where you choose to begin again. It's what we're talking about today. The fact that you're not coming from scratch, you're coming from strength. Let me tell you something that no one else may be saying to you right now. You're not starting over. You're not starting from square one. You're starting from experience, from resilience, from depth, from fire. You could say you were born again, but that doesn't mean that you were starting from nothing. You've lived through things that would have broken someone else. Maybe in those moments it even broke you down. But you survived. And you were able to endure and get through some of the hardest periods of time that anyone could ever experience. But you're still here. And that's what makes everything count. And that means that you're ready, not perfect, not fully healed, but ready to step forward. This is the power of the conscious reset. Most people drift into change. They wait for life to shake them awake. But you've chosen to start again, to step forward into this new existence, this new life that is not by default, that is designed through your experiences and fire building up inside of you. You're choosing to begin again on purpose. You're saying, this is my line in the sand. The old story ends here. Not because your past doesn't matter, but because it doesn't define you and it doesn't drive you anymore. The reset is different when you know where you've come from, but you're not allowing yourself to be directed by that past. This reset is different. This isn't a diet. It's not a 30-day challenge. It's a life declaration. You're reclaiming your identity. You're reclaiming your mind. You're reclaiming your mornings. You're reclaiming yourself. You're not starting from zero. It may feel like square one, but it's not. Every scar taught you something. Every mistake may have shaped you. Every failure gave you a blueprint of what to do and maybe what not to do. But you're not that same person who doubted, who delayed, or disappeared. You're wiser now. You're more honest. You're focused. And that's why this version of you is unstoppable. You're not trying to go back to who you were. You're building something brand new with eyes wide open to the possibilities of this next life. The fire is lit. Now we need to build with it. This morning fire isn't just a metaphor. It's your new operating system. It's how you start your day. Not in chaos, not on autopilot, but with intention. Every moment is meaningful. Every video, every breath, every moment you spend here is a brick into your new foundation. And this life you're rebuilding, it's not about perfection. It's about ownership. It's about taking those reins and taking control of the life that is yours. Because the version of you who shows up today is not the one who gave up last year. She's wiser. He's hungrier. They're clearer. And it's time to move with that. When we begin again, we have to remember we are not alone. If you are here and if you are still listening, that means something. That means you are not alone. You are part of a movement of people just like you who are ready to stand up and take on their new life. It means that you've got the fire in your bones. It means you're not done. It means you're ready for something deeper than just getting through it. You don't do this with isolation, and you cannot do this in solitude. You will take moments to reflect, but we have strength when we are not alone. And that's why I created the 7-Day Identity Reset, to help you get unstuck without burning out, and to remember that you are not alone on this journey. And if you're looking for consistency and more community and more care, the Morning Care Club is your weekly anchor for when life gets loud and you need to ground it again. We don't rise alone, but we do rise one choice at a time. So today, I'm not telling you to hustle. I'm not telling you to push. I'm not telling you to say, it's okay. I'm not telling you to say, I don't care. I'm simply saying, begin again on your terms. It's your timing with your truth. If you're ready to take that first real aligned step, the 7-day identity reset is waiting for you below. Or join us in the Morning Care Club and let's build this fire into something lasting. This isn't the end. This isn't the restart. This is the real beginning. And this time you're walking in with your fire lit. You got this. I'll see you next time.